Hello and welcome back to another video by Seen Through Cars. Today we are testing the new Tesla Model Y with dual motors. Okay, first thing I can tell you, this car is quick. It is definitely quicker than everything else I've tested before. Woof. Okay, now I only got this car for a few minutes to test, therefore I do not have any data for you or something else, but we will drive it like we stole it. I can tell you, as I already said, acceleration is really good. And it pushes you in the seat is 100 already. So I can tell you the build quality, as far as I can tell you, it is really good. There is nothing loud. The lead everywhere is leather. I'm touching it, feels great. This is plastic. This should be wooden, but it isn't. Should be wood, but it isn't. Yeah, it is plastic. Oh, you could make some sound over there. Well, here you got a big infotainment screen, and basically it is not only the infotainment, you got like everything over here. Speed, navigation, and you control everything here. There, under there are two pads for charging your mobile phone, wireless, really cool. Over here, common things like in a standard car, only this button here is for the door. It is really roomy, the windscreen is really good, visibility is perfect. I can tell you, the only thing which is not so good is the mirror over here, and yeah, but it is frameless, that's cool. There's only a safety frame around it for now. A big sunroof, a really big sunroof, like basically everything over your head is glass. This is really cool. I'm so stunned of this acceleration. Well, let's try full throttle. Woof. Oh, you got this yeah, this feeling when you, yeah, it's like a plane or something else starting real quick. Of course, it is unusual to drive such a car. Oh fuck, my car, oh, my mobile phone is getting hot over there. This is your key, a card. Alright, this is different as well. What is really different to a common car, the gas pedal. If you leave it, so if you take it back, well, there is like, it's like you're braking in a normal car. This is different, but you will get used to this, of course. Wow, those cameras are really good. Of course, it makes a lot of fun. It is so loudless in here. Well, I love the sound of a V8 or a V12, but honestly, hearing like nothing in this car has some different kind of status symbol. Oof. Steering is direct, feels great. Couldn't complain about this. Yeah, that's quite good. It is, yeah. Of course, it's a kind of SUV, but yeah, not a sports car. Here is a real big there's a lot of space to put a big bottle in there or something else. Underneath here it's not that much space, but it's good as well. If you stand still, it is auto hold. Well, it makes a lot of fun, but driving like this daily, you do not do that. And of course, yeah, it takes away a lot of battery power, and therefore you do not get that far like driving normal. And this shit over there is really good in recognizing cars and stuff where you're standing there. It's really good. I'm impressed. There's this autopilot shit. I think that works. I think. Oh, here, temperature. So, as I already said in the beginning, I do not have that much time. Hey. Therefore, I will take a seat in my back, on the back seats, and afterwards we will stop this video, because it's only just to take you guys with me doing this thing called motor journalism. For safety reasons, I put down the sunglass. So that I can get in afterwards as well. Wow, this is roomy. So I'm 1.70 meters, and yeah, as you can see, I have a lot of knee room behind my seat. The floor is flat. Here you got 2 cup holders and armrest. Not sure if you can split it. No, I don't think so. Here a lot of room. 2 modern USB charging points, whatever. Behind this seat, enough space as well. Underneath, so maybe we can open the trunk from here. No, I'm not that good, I think. No, but as you can see, I hope you can see this, the trunk is, I think it is okay. It is not big, but it is okay. And here, this huge sunroof. Imagine laying here watching the stars from your Tesla Model Y. Could be cool if you are an EV fan. So for me this is nothing. I prefer sitting in a V8 blasting out a lot of CO2 at the exhaust. That's what I like. So let's go on driving. I drive this car back now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Although, oh, I can open the trunk here. Here I am. Let's see. Yeah, it's a cube form, therefore there is not that much space. Oh, here's a lot of space. Well, it's basically better than I thought. Yeah, although this was a really short video and I do not know that much about this car, for now I hope you enjoyed watching it, and please subscribe my channel, hit the bell button to get notified when I make a new upload, and thanks for watching, guys.